Hey there, Junior over at KRS. Give you guys a little update on our Model A pickup here we've been doing for customer Ed. Justin and I have been kind of tearing this thing up. Last week we went and got this freshly painted cab on, so now we're kind of going through getting the mechanicals in line, getting the column, getting the dash and everything figured out, get some of the AC stuff mounted. Brake lines and stuff are already done, so it's, you know, we're right on schedule there as far as being ready to just keep pounding it out. We're gonna put some wiring in it and get this thing ready to fire up.
Alright guys, we're back from Colorado. Justin has been working on the Model A pickup. Since we've been gone, he's got all the fenders on now. We got the front grille, headlights, most of the bed is done. He's got the gas tank in. And basically all that's left to do is just final little things, hood, some wiring. Should be ready to go.
Be pretty good by the end of the week.
Hopefully. Alright everyone, the Model A pickup is finished with us. From here it goes on to interior, have that finished. It looks absolutely fantastic. Blind Dog did a good job on the paint job. It's time for it to go on and get finished. So hope you guys enjoy the final assembly of the Model A. We'll have a lot more coming to you.